A gentle reminder that we have to dare ourselves to move continuously so in this life. Um, because in spite of how we feel, healing follows your courage to do something when you no longer want to wallow in illness or sickness or not feeling well or depression or whatever. Your healing will follow a courage to do something about that. Your breakthroughs will follow your courage to start something, to move towards something, to create something, to build something, just deciding to do. Your success will follow a courage yako, to want something, to want things bad enough, to have those goals and say, I'm going to follow them. I'm going to see things through. Your miracles, even though sibona ngathi miracles are things zasebhayibhelini, miracles are things for us too, but they also will follow a courage yakho, like that woman that said, if I can only touch the hem of God's garment and ngizophola, like that one wathi, I'll wait for someone azangifake emanzini for me to realize my miracle. Whatever miracle most esizibonayo isifunda ngazo, it's because somebody did something. There was an action first, there was movement first, there was courage, you know. And because really vision yakho, your goals, impilo yakho will only be realized when you choose to be courageous enough to do something over a comfort and over a fear. Because to be courageous is just to dare to face that fear and overcome it. And you dare this courage, trembling, unsure, emotional, because it's the only way to activate a spiritual law. It is by movement from when I start. Even God says to Joshua, be courageous. He says that to us. The universe requires that of us. It's one of the instructions actually for us to be strong and to be courageous, especially in turbulent times, especially ebunzimeni, where we are being tested, where we are being initiated, where we are being pruned, where we are being where we are about to be elevated. And uNkulunkulu, God meets us on the path of obedience, and that takes courage. And you don't need to have all the answers. We don't need to have answers. We don't need to be strong every day. We don't even need to see the full staircase. We just need to put one foot or in front of the other and and trust that trust the process, and trust that along the path divine alignment finds you, resources will be provided, support will be provided along the path moving kwakho, and yeah, things that you need will meet you along the way. And this is just a reminder to say that the only way for God's promises over our lives to be manifested will be through action from our part. The only way that God's dream for us can be activated is if we, Tina, we act. And that means moving. And that moving requires courage. So find that courage. We all have that well of courage just waiting for us to allow it to be activated. And being strong enough and brave enough to face whatever fears that we are tested with. Because fear, it's just things that appear to test you and to help you grow. It's things that initiate us, but we become better people. We become people who can better handle situations. And so yeah, there to to move empilweni. Make sure ukuthi awumi bathini, you don't park at the point of pain, at the point of distractions, at the point of disturbances, at the point of challenges. You know, don't park there. You are there to move through, to walk through. You know, Amaveli. So yeah, that's the reflection for tonight. Dare to move.